Script. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to tackle a super common interview problem. Script. The problem is called rotate image. It's an absolute classic that tests how well you can manipulate grids. Script. Before we jump in, as always, if you get confused by any part of this explanation, please drop a question in the comments. I read them all, and I will respond to help you out. Script. Okay, here is the problem page. It can look a little intimidating at first glance, so let's break down exactly what it's asking us to do, step by step. Script. We are given a perfect square grid of numbers. Our main goal is simply to rotate the entire thing by 90 degrees, in a clockwise direction. Imagine turning a steering wheel to the right. Script. But here is the big catch. We have to do this in place. That means we are not allowed to just create a brand new empty grid and copy the numbers over to their new spots. We have to shuffle the numbers around within the original grid itself. Script. Trying to move 4 corners at once can get really messy with the math. Instead, there's a beautiful 2-step mathematical trick we can use called transpose and reverse. Script. Step 1 is to transpose the matrix. That's just a fancy math word for flipping the grid diagonally. We imagine a line drawn from the top left corner straight down to the bottom right corner, and we mirror everything across that line. Script. Step 2 is super simple. Once the grid is flipped diagonally, we just go through every single row, one by one, and reverse the order of the numbers in that row. Script. It might sound a bit like magic, but doing those two simple operations back to back perfectly mimics a 90-degree clockwise rotation every single time. Let me show you how. Script. We'll be walking through the logic using Python because it's super readable. But don't worry, I have the full code for Java, C++, and JavaScript ready for you at the end of the video. Script. Here is the complete Python solution. It's surprisingly short. Let's zoom in and break this code down into bite-sized pieces so you actually understand what's happening. Script. First, we figure out how big our grid is. Since the problem promises us it's a perfect square, we just grab the length of the grid and store it in a variable called ein. This tells us how many rows and columns we have. Script. Next, we start our transpose step. We need 2 loops. The outer loop, using I, goes down through each row. The inner loop, using j, goes across the columns. Script. Notice something very important here. The inner loop j doesn't start at 0, it starts at I. Why? Because if we started from 0, we would swap items, and then later in the loop, we'd swap them right back to where they started. Starting at I ensures we only look at the top right triangle of the grid. Script. And here is the actual flip. Python lets us swap 2 values in one line. We are just taking the item at row I, column j, and trading its place with the item at row j, column I. Script. Finally, step 2. We do one more simple loop through the rows. For every row, we just call the built-in reverse function. If you're using a language without a built-in reverse, you would just use a simple 2-pointer swap from the left and right edges. Script. If you want to grab this code to test it out yourself, you don't need to pause and type it all out. You can just go to leetcodeunlocked.com/rotate-image, link is in the description, to copy and paste it easily. Back to the breakdown. Script. Let's trace this with a super simple 2x2 grid. Top row is 1, 2. Bottom row is 3, 4. Script. First, the transpose. The loop reaches the items at opposite sides of the diagonal. It takes the 2 at top right and the 3 at bottom left and swaps them. The 1 and the 4 on the diagonal stay perfectly in place. Script. Now for the reverse step. We look at the first row, which is currently 1, 3. We reverse it, so it becomes 3, 1. Script. Then we look at the second row, currently 2, 4. We reverse it, and it becomes 4, 2. And just like that, our original grid has been perfectly rotated 90 degrees clockwise. Script. What about edge cases? What if the grid only has one single number inside it? Well, our transpose loops just won't do any swaps, and reversing a single item does nothing. So it naturally handles small grids without crashing. Script. Let's talk efficiency. The time complexity is order n squared, where n is the length of one side of the grid. Basically, we have to touch every single cell in the matrix a couple of times, which is the absolute best we can do since we have to move everything. Script. The space complexity is order 1 or constant space. Because we are swapping all the numbers directly inside the original grid, we don't need to use any extra memory to build a second matrix. Script. So what are the key takeaways from this problem? First, complex matrix rotations usually have elegant mathematical shortcuts. Second, you should commit the transpose and reverse trick to memory. It's incredibly common in interviews. Script. Alright, that covers the logic. As promised, here are the full solutions for Java, C++, and JavaScript. Remember, you can copy-paste these from the link in the description. Script. Here is the full solution written in Java. Notice we have to write out the row reversal manually here. Script. Next up, here is the exact same logic implemented in C++. Script. And finally, here is the solution using JavaScript. Script. We're almost done, but I want to quickly share why this channel looks and sounds the way it does. You can probably tell this voice is AI. I built an automated system to generate these guides instantly, so I can study faster, and I post them to help you out too. Script. I recently changed the format of these videos to make the visuals faster and easier to digest. Please let me know in the comments if you like this new pacing, and again drop any questions you have about the code there as well. Script. Before we finish up, I have another channel called Leetcode Unlocked. I'm on a mission to eventually post a clear explanation for literally every single problem on Leetcode. If you are studying hard, make sure to check it out. Script. If you want to help support that goal, you can donate at buymeaboba.com/LeetCodeDaily. Also, please make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I post the daily problem right when it drops. Keep coding, and I'll catch you in the next one.